Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for your attention. Please, my name is Darul Prayogo. I want to present my paper uh, to title Distance Learning Evaluation with the CIPP model. For introduction to my paper, 1. Is the information technology based learning has met the demand for millennial generation and 4.0 era. And the number 2, the Merchant Marine Polytechnic, known as Polytechnic Ilmu Pelayaran Semarang, is a boarding school. And then implementation distance learning for the first time. This research, I'm analyzing the implementation of distance learning at the Merchant Marine Polytechnic on Semarang. Identification of this paper is based on understanding and management lecture and instructor in their field of expertise. And then I want to implementing distance learning has not been evaluated. Then distance learning management implemented by the lecturer and instructor. Gathered understanding in distance learning activities. Number 5, the available of supporting facilities and infrastructure and problem faced by in implementing the distance learning activities. Formulation of the problem is this research is what is the hypothetical management model for distance learning based on CIPP, context, input, process, and product at the Merchant Marine Polytechnic Semarang. The number 2, what is the effectiveness of the management model of distance learning at the Merchant Marine Polytechnic Semarang? Research purpose, number 1, to analyze the management of the CIPP based on CIPP, context, input, process, and product at the Merchant Marine Polytechnic Semarang. And the number 2, to analyze the management effectiveness of the CIPP based on CIPP, context, input, process, and product at the Merchant Marine Polytechnic on Semarang. Literature review, I want to evaluation to the Scriven, Owen, Grunland and Lin, Winston, Tyler, and Staffelbeam. A systematic process that is carried out on ongoing basis. I aim to find data and information about the achievement of the goal set, which are use a recommendation in decision making, who prepare our choices. And then CIPP model from the Staffelbeam, Owen, Scriven, George F. Meadows. The CIPP model is the main purpose of the evaluation is not to prove, but find steps to improve the program. Research method, location in Polytechnic Ilmu Pelayaran Semarang, time might 2020 until July 2020. Research design CIPP model from Staffel-Beam. Data sources from lecture and instructor, and then techniques and instrument is observation, documentation, questionnaire, and discussion. Validity, the correlation used is above 0.30, nullly 2017. The formula is in the screen. This is sources from Suharsimi Arikunto. And then reliability coefficient, I want to reliability coefficient of 0.60 can be used for research purpose. This is from Reimers et al. And then formula this coefficient reliability you can show on the screen. Result and discussion, the table 1, the description of distance learning evaluated with the CIPP model at the Merchant Marine Polytechnic in Semarang, descriptive statistic from component context, input, process, product, and then valid list wife. You can see my presentation of the screen. This is sources on processed the primary data 2020, the minimum, maximum, mean, and standard deviation you can see on screen. The lecture instructor evaluated based on the context component. The 81.40%, this you can see the screen is good. And then the lecturer and instructor evaluated based on input component, the description of distance learning, 72.09% is good. You can see my presentation. And then figure 3, the description of distance learning based on process component at the Merchant Marine Polytechnic, 75.35% is good. And then the description of distance learning based on product component at the Merchant Marine Polytechnic on Semarang, 83.72%, the product is good. This is sources on processed primary data on 2020. The conclusion, the distance learning implementation success at the Merchant Marine Polytechnic Semarang using the CIPP model was good. Main percentage of 83.14%. You can see the distance learning evaluation using CIPP from component context, input, process, and product. You can see on the screen from my presentation, sources on processed primary data 2020. From component context, 81.40%, component input 72.09%, component process 75.35%, and then component product 83.72%. The distance learning implementation using the CIPP model was good. The main percentage of 83.14%. Thank you your attention.